Ocho Squad, I hope everyone is doing well. I'm doing good. Welcome to a new vlog, yet a continuation of the previous video. If you missed the previous video, please do check it out because then this one might not make sense for you. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Please don't skip the ads. The most important part, please do not skip the ads. Guys, let's continue with this. This is part 2 most. Like I said, this is a continuation of the previous video. So this is part 2. On this one, you're gonna see me packing to prepare for the trip. Yeah, I think that's a critical part of this one. It's packing, and then we are on the road to Epizana, Eastern Cape, Emampondweni. Yeah, I really don't know. It's so difficult to go in the intro, continuation video. I didn't think it was going to be this tricky because now I'm thinking for the people that watched the previous one, they already know what's going to happen. But now, when you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're like, girl, what are you talking about? So please, I beg you to please watch the previous video so that this one makes sense.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Hey guys, it is Monday night. The time right now is 7:45. Yeah? What is it? 19:45. I am about to start packing. I know I said I was going to take you through my packing, but I think it is over late if it's going to be busy in the vlogger. So what I'm going to do is touch the camera. Am I going to be able? But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you this. So Amanda got back today. Thursday. So she left last week Thursday, and I started vlogging with you guys on a Saturday, I think so. But anyway, she came back today, and I got Iskipa Sasechimini, guys, edition. I love this, and it's a color I don't have. So yes, I love this. So guys, let me just quickly show you. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna be on camera, guys. And yes, I know I'm wearing the same top as yesterday, Sunday. But yeah, it is what it is. We repeat clothes here. So, but just to separate the days, but I'm a bit confused. I have to say it. Only human, ne? This is his almost cooler bag, ne? It just is like other buttons. I have to open this pack. So this, I'm gonna put his juice here. The ones we got from discount that he didn't eat. He forgot about them. And then I'm going to cut those chips. This is separated. This is like an upper. And then Zofaga amayeza white. I think I'm just going to take in even. energy booster. What do you call that thing? Yeah, immune booster. I'm gonna take immune booster and a cough mixture. Allergex. So I'm only gonna take 3. Just like up. And then for toiletries, yeah, okay. Toiletry, yeah, okay. I've got ointment. This Vaseline is usually in the bag for when we move around. Then I've got his soap. I've got wet wipes. If I'm not mistaken, he does have a toothbrush at home, but I'm gonna take his toothbrush. I don't know about the toothbrush he has, guys. I'm gonna look for his toothbrush and toothpaste. The toothpaste is corner because if you remember, we bought a 3 set. So yeah, I'm still gonna add. And then I've got 6 underwears and 6 pairs of socks. I've got 5 long pants. It's gonna be 6 long pants. I just bought new pants now. I'm from the shops. And then it's just 4 short sleeve t-shirts. These are just short sleeve t-shirts. Each woman is making noise in the background. And then these are long sleeve t-shirts. These are long sleeve t-shirts, 4 of them, because it's Wednesday. So it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We come back on Saturday. So it's 4 days. So I'm trying cool. Hence everything is a set of 4. At least so yeah, I'm doing a set of 4. What's
this everything?
Eh? It's your clothes.
I don't make clothes.
So 4 sets of long sleeve and 4 sets of short sleeves. And then I've got 4 jerseys. I've got... Okay, so I put these pajamas here because I wasn't sure I was going to be able to get pajamas for him. This is his gown, morning gown. So what I'm going to do, I got new pajamas. Well, 2 sets. Well, it's 1 set of warm pajama and then another set of just long pants and long sleeves. I'm gonna show you guys just now. And then these are his warm jackets. We've got this brown one, we've got this black. This is not so warm though, but this almost like a coat. It's giving like coat vibes. And then his denim jacket. So usually he would wear, when it's cold, he would wear this. Let me just show you guys. For example, he's gonna wear this long sleeve skipper and then a jersey and then a jacket. So this is enough to keep him warm. So that's the thing. So now I've got 3 of these. This is enough because Lena it dark. I'm gonna need about twice, and then Lena 2. One of them is gonna have to wear them twice. Yeah, well, sorry, my baby. And then I've got his blankets. So in the car we are alale, but anyway, I always prefer to have a blanket. Sometimes, as old as he is, I still put him on my back. This is Lily's stuff. I'm going to put it in our suitcase. And then this is the bag that I'm going to put... excuse my baby. I'm going to put... and extra outfit. Because I always carry this with me. That is all for Nick. Oh, it's Sanguzake. I'll show you guys the shoes. Let me go get the pajamas and show you now. Guys, I just got back from getting Licky Human's things, and I found him talking here. He's like, Nana, what were you saying?
I said this is a laptop. Because I said it's a computer.
It's a computer.
Yep.
Okay, guys, don't figure. We are Teta. He's like, this is a computer, guys. Okay. By the way, guys, I've got that laptop there to for my ring light, because this is, let me just show you. It's for this cable for the ring light. Since I don't want to be charging, I don't want to be plugging it, so I'm using this laptop. Okay, again, Nana, thank you so much. Ne? I just got Nancy's suitcase. Okay, I'm gonna use this suitcase to pack, and then I want to show you what I got from the shops. Ne? I got these green long pants. This is a size 5 to 6. I got them for 90 rands a Pick and Pay clothing, because I always prefer to have noba the outfit as extra as two, so ibhulukhwe ngizokongeza kuzo so that noba angaba manzi okanye angcole akwazi utshintsha. And then I got this pajama. Lena, it's not as warm, it's just long sleeves. But anyway, it's fine because I took a bigger size. This is size 7 to 8. I got this from Pick and Pay clothing for 120, 430. I hope you guys can see it. Yes, I'm doing it in my so I didn't check my angles. Okay, yeah, it's a set like this. I got it from Pick and Pay clothing. Then I got this from Mr. Price. This was the smallest size, guys, that they had, 9 to 10. 9 to 10. It was 150. Oh, Nance, sorry, it was 150. Mr. Price. So, but again, this one is nice and warm. I wanted this material. So that's the material I wanted. I know it's going to be big on him, but I'm going to roll it up. Yeah, but it's just for this trip because Bande is Eastern Cape, so at least it's going to be warm. So he's got this, and then that green old one. Sorry, my ring light just switched off. Okay, sorry guys. So he's got 2 of this material. At least I think it's enough. So what I'm going to do with him, uzoipinda. So Wednesday, Thursday, uzonxiba this one, and then Friday anxibe the green one. It's in the washing machine. I'm gonna do some laundry now, and then we can hang them tomorrow during the day. At least my sister is around, so she'll help me with that. Let me show you the shoes. Okay guys, I'm only taking 3 pairs. Sorry, my baby. Actually, I'm gonna take 4 pairs. I'm gonna take this gumboots that he's wearing, just in case, and then I'm taking these ones.
Is this my clothes?
What's the son?
I'm to wear it now.
This, and then this, because Lena is nice extend vuka, you know, you can rock it with his socks, so that's why I like this kind of shoes. And then his toothpaste, he's got a towel at home, he's got a face cloth, and he's got the big towel at home, so I'm not gonna take that. I just need a toothpaste, and then another toothbrush, and then I'm done with him. So I'm quickly gonna take his clothes, leave at the suitcase because I can't spend a safe for tomorrow. I already put his clothes out for school. Oh, by the way, guys, I didn't even mention Ubeya Geko Yazi. He left during the day to Louis Tree. It's Louis Tree Church, ne? He's back tomorrow though, so it's just an it's one night out, and then he's back tomorrow. So that's why I'm pushing to do everything. So maybe that's why I'm pushing to do everything tonight. Yeah, because once I'm going to the office, I'm not gonna have time at all. Tomorrow I just wanna come back and and rest. Don't break it, ne?
Almost break it.
Yeah.
So.
Don't break it.
It's still new.
It's still new?
Yep.
Okay.
I just do this when I do this. Ah!
Yeah, guys, let me pack his clothes. Also, I want to treat my face. I just got some alu from outside, so ndifuna ukufaka alu, fresh alu. 10 minutes before I take a shower. I think I'm gonna take a bath. I'm not sure. So just 10 minutes before I take a bath or shower, so faga alu. I hope I'll be able to show you guys. But if kumnyama, it might not even be. I'll try. I'll show you guys how I do my face. Okay, guys, I found his travel toothbrush. So yeah, I've got everything for him. Let me pack. Also, guys, andikwazi ukupakisha. Mina ndiyafaka nje. Umuntu okwazi ukupakisha ngubheyi. Yo, uyapakisha la bhuti. Now, as long as everything is inside the sham. As long as everything fits inside the bag, I'm good. So ndifuna uzibeka. This is as he said, like how he's going to wear them. so this is how I do. So if it's warm, he's gonna wear this green pants with this pink short sleeve t-shirt, or with this long sleeved. Then it's just the corner. So this is how I'm gonna put them. So you see the t-shirts are here with the pants and then the jersey. And I think I'm done. For Yena. And there's still space up here. Also, I keep these bean bags here. Yeah, well, I think I've got some in this bag. I'll show you. These are actually, it's nappy plastic bags. I think, yeah. When you were still a baby, I used to use this a lot. They are scented, so when you put your nappy, like a used nappy here, it won't smell. You can drive with it for hours. Like if you haven't found a bin to throw it, you can use it for, like, it lasts longer, man. They won't smell. So guys, those who still have babies who wear nappies, check those out if you haven't used them yet. I got them from this camp. Let me show you the pack, because I still have a packing. I use them. I love them. And then also I keep a copy of his birth certificate. I keep a copy of his birth certificate here, because you know sometimes when you fly and then let's say like we're gonna drive now, and what happens if we have to come back by flight for whatever reason. So I always prefer to have a copy of his birth certificate here. What did I want? Oh, let me see. I think I also keep these plastics here in this bag. So I've got them in this bag as well. So if let's say we're eating and then we want to throw something, we put them in those plastic bags, and then when we get to a place where there's a bin, then we like throw them into the bin. Yeah, I think I'm done with him. This blanket, I can't put it here because in the car he has to have this blanket and a pillow, so it's gonna remain outside, you know. And guess what? We are done with my little human. At least I did not overpack. Yes. Then you know, guys, I'm gonna check what am I taking. For me, it's not gonna be a lot because let me just put this here. Because for me, I got my Makoti outfits ekaya, so and then his shades. I've got his shades. This is just a hand sanitizer. I'm gonna put his shades in my handbag because that's how movie shades is like. So I just put these things here so as a reminder. This is my dad's hat. He left it. I remember when, I don't know how far back, but when they were, guys, the ring light switched off. Hi, Tula. Sorry, the ring light switched off. So my dad left this hat when they were here, and then my mom left charger yak. So they are attending the funeral. I'm taking this for them. So I got this as well at China Mall. So which one is mine? This one is mine. This one is for Lily, I think. Yeah, I wanted black. So yeah, this should actually be here because this is Lily's plastic bag. Let's just put it here. This is gonna go to my suitcase or our suitcase. I'm not sure if we're using the same suitcase, not bag, or separate suitcases. He doesn't like packing in the same bag as me because Utim and Pakisha will. But yeah, I don't mind because then, okay, so this is what I already took. So we do have toiletries most at home, But I think the last time I was there, I can't remember. We finished this thing. So tissue oil. I'm taking this one, and then I'm only taking this perfume. That's for me. And then for him, I'm taking this one. If he wants to change, he can change it because it's not here. And then also I know that this was finished the last time we were home, but everything else I know we've got. So it's only this that I'm taking. Easy is just a refill. Yeah. So let me go check, guys. Oh, I wonder if you can see me. Okay, let me go check in Patayam the few that I'm gonna pack, and then I'll come show you. I'm not gonna pack for Uday. I'm gonna have to wait for him to.
Please fix it. This is for me.
It's yours, man. Do you wanna ask Gazi to help you fix it? Mama can't fix it.
Work like this when you make it like oven single. Like this.
You wanna give me a hug?
And like this. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Can you give me a hug?
Okay. A hug will train you how to fix this.
A hug will train me how to fix this. Wow. I love you. Oh. Okay, my son again. I'm going to cook as man. I'm going to look at lunch. I fix like London, man. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself, but I'm done with Little Humans packing. Also, we didn't cook today. We bought KFC. Ne? So, it is our faka alu ngoku apha ebusweni bam, and then eat. After eating, go take a bath or shower. I still haven't decided, but ndiyohlamba basically. So, yeah. I don't know, ndiyadinwa ngoku. After ndihlambile, then ndizambonisa ezam impahla. But there's nothing for me to pack, guys, yazi. There's literally nothing for me to pack. Because I just need an outfit for Wednesday when we travel, then an outfit for Saturday when we come back. Yeah, well, there's nothing. I'm not taking any underwears. I've got underwears that side. I'm not taking toiletries. I'm not taking Duke. Like, I just need a warm jacket. Dinazi jacket payana. They're not as warm. Yeah, there's nothing much for me to pack. It's just the outfits that I'm gonna wear when we go to Bizana and when we come back. So maybe I'll just show you that. Also, and there's also engamos. Like, I'm not gonna dress like formal funeral outfit kind of thing, because I'm gonna be in my makoti outfit, which zipazo ngezo zinto ezo. So yeah, I think that might be all when it comes to packing. Even if I'm not gonna be up a camera because you know. Let's go to my face. Now I'm just gonna do this. I hope you guys can see the angle. Oh guys, it's so difficult. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna work my angles, CJ. But anyway, this is the alu. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna obviously cut the sides and then like to remove ameva. And then this, I'm looking in the mirror to see if you guys can see me. And then divole, ne? And then the thumbs up swing. Ne? But let me just first rinse my face. Hope you guys can see me. I'm gonna use this. I can't see myself, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm looking in the mirror. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna use this piece. I really hope you guys can see me because wow. Denzela this thing to show you can't ndiyazikhatha. So nansi thiza ayibandi. Okay. I'm really hoping you guys can see me. Yeah, there's one is spilling, so I'm sorry, I'm gonna use this angle. Yep, I'm done. I'm gonna eat and then tap into a slump. This is my supper, guys. Juicy, piece of chicken lickini. This is the side breast, and then 2 slices of bread. Hi guys, it is Tuesday evening. I don't even know what time it is right now, but I've just finished working, logged off, and yeah, I'm now packing for myself. Guys, I'm tired. I didn't set up the ring light. I'm using this light. But it's not doing justice. But anyway, I just want to show you guys my outfit now. So tomorrow, which is Wednesday, today is Tuesday. Tomorrow I'm gonna wear this dress, the one with white lines, and this sandal. I got the sandal for Mr. Price for 90 rands, and then it took. I'm still gonna find it took, and then I've got this black one as a backup for nje should yabo kube khona into efunisa ilokhwe. But I do have dresses that side, so this one is just for backup, just in case. And then coming back on, we're coming back on Saturday, so that has been confirmed. Coming back on Saturday, I'm gonna wear this dress. You guys know this dress, you've seen it. I just like it. It's comfortable wear too, but it's easy. And then I got 3 sets of shades. Yeah, I've got 3 sets of shades. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear all of them. I think I might stick to that black and white, and then I've got this denim jacket. So tomorrow when I get home, I'll just put this jacket because this dress is sleeveless. Yeah, since Dugmakoti, I can't wear sleeveless dresses. Well, I can, but as Makoti, apparently you can't wear sleeveless dresses. So yeah, I'm done now. Then with the rest of the clothes that I'm gonna wear are from there. I'm gonna wear the same sandal on Saturday when we come back. And then what am I forgetting? I just need no in the right. I don't need anything. Oh, and then I've got this warm jacket here, this black one for if band. And then this is just makeup up in this brown bag. Then that's it. Is black and white here. Impatla's got his back, by the way. He got back around 3 o'clock. Yeah, I think so. So those are just some of the clothes. And Mazu's bekile up. Nancy bag yake, he hasn't unpacked. So guys, ndicela uyivala le vlog apha ne ndizawuqala entsha for xa sihamba ngomso, because I feel lalena inde vlog. So masivaleni apha bethunana. I hope I didn't cheat y'all. At least you got to see my outfits. Until guys we meet kwi vlog elandelayo, thank you so much for supporting. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and doing everything we're to eyenziwayo. Until the next one, you guys take care. I love you so much. Mwah. Mwah.